So let us import our drawings into Premiere Essentials. Click here where it says Add Media. Go down here where it says Files and Folders. This will bring up your box of where your files are. And they are in here, Raw Video, under Dog Files. And there's all the drawings that I photographed. Highlight them all, click Import, and you'll see them here in the Project Assets box. So what we want to do is find drawing number 1, which is here. Bring it down. And you see you can hardly see it there. So expand your view here. And you can see it takes up 2 frames. Well, we want to hold that. So bring your pointer here. When it turns into the red box with 2 arrows, you can pull it out. And we want to have it hold for 1 second, which is here. There's our drawing. So that one was number 598. Now let's go to 599. Pull that down. 2 frames. And then 600. 2 frames. 601. 2 frames. 602. 2 frames, 603, 2 frames, 604, which is the end move, 2 frames. But let us hold that one for up to here, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So we'll hold that one for a second. Now, press play. And there you see your action. And he's saying, hey! So if you want to play with the timing, you can figure out, well, which drawing would I like to hold a little bit longer? You might want to hold that one a bit longer. So you could put your cursor there. Well, actually, I think the way they taught us is to highlight these and move them. I think that's 3 frames, and then pull this one out. So it'll be 4. Highlight this, move them back. Take it back to the beginning. And so that is how you do your test. 7, 9, 11, 13. Now, if it looks like it's going a little bit too fast, you can always go back into your animation and put some in-betweens in there and expand it out even more. And that will slow it down so it's not quite so zippy. And there's your picture. So try that for yourself. And we will see you next time. Keep drawing and keep animating.